Hello everybody, Aki here, and this is Coffee Talk. I played this game before, so I'm going to reread it, and I hope I can finish this game per one episode per night like that. So while I'm recording, while I'm going to record this, need to find more games. So for now, I just find the unofficial unofficial fun port on the internet, finding it, but I have it on GOG if I'm correct, or Steam. Have it. I bought it earlier, but please support the Indonesian devs. I know, I know. Southeast Asia, shitty games like that, but this game captivate me back in when I was still studying in school. Then I have a potato laptop back in the day. Then ish I don't know can I where can I play it now, but I bought the second game, the episode 2. I loved it. I didn't play it yet because and I watched some videos of it on YouTube fully, but I didn't want to spoil it on my own. But you know still gonna play it in the near future when I have a recording rig for PC, so or a PC in general. I need it too. Then this game, I'm going to play it now. Then while I am thinking of playing this game first, I don't I will read all of it, try voice acting it little, like so practicing myself while this is so I can voice act some decently, I hope. So without further ado, let's start playing. New notice, no. Barista, no. Yeah, this. Yes. Play. One of the best games, catchy music, catchy everything. Seattle Beat. Oh, 2020. Oh man. Seattle 2020, in the year 2020. A city filled with dreams and madness. A time when the Great War between races is but a footnote in history. A time when anyone can dream of being whatever they want to be, and have those dreams crushed before they can even be discussed. But still, it is a place and time where anything can happen. It is when the elves have left the forest to build their startups. When the dwarves have emerged from their caves to start their automotive empires. When the orcs have put down their axes and started using computers to improve their lives. And when humans live among them, as driven as ever. It is a city that holds at the many dreams and stories of its people. Oh dear man. Oh, nostalgia. Oh man, I love this game. Most of these stories are left untold, but some few find solace in the embrace of bricks and wood and glass. They are told over drinks, then take up residence in some strangers' memories. one corner of the city stands a coffee shop, a place that is only open when the sun is sleeping, a place where people share their stories, and, and these are their stories. Wait. Oh, it's you. Hey Akiyama, how's the night so far? It's calm as usual. Tomodachi. Freya, birthday 29th of January. Writer for the Evening Whispers talks about mundane things, art, and life in general. Georgie, 1st of June, friends only, close friends only. Gala, 13th of September. Okay. Got a slight problem though. Huh? What happened? My supplier made some logistical errors. I don't have half of my ingredients today. Oh, man, that's a bummer. Don't worry. I can still serve the caffeine you desperately need. That's good to hear. Anyway, let me set things up first. You're our first customer after all. Don't worry, take your time. I'm a writer, not an editor. So, I'm used to talking things slow. Heh, writer's block again? You got that right. What are you writing now? Do you remember my plan to... Pardon the interruption. The machine is ready. Do you want your triple shot espresso now? Yes, please. And if you forget how to make it, just check your phone, okay? Anyway, I really need that triple shot espresso. I think her voice would be like, slow in a like boy like sound with a feminine voice. I think triple shot, if I'm correct, triple shot with espresso, coffee. The graphics, man. Of course. Oh dear. Oh, this is so funny. Oh, the graphics. Oh dear. Oh well. I need to, think of it as a failed 1 cup of triple shot espresso. Special for my only customer tonight. Yeah. That aroma. Exactly what I need. Anyway, where were we? Your plan to do something? Yes, that. It's not that I hate writing stories for the newspaper, but it seems like the right time for something bigger. So, a novel? Yes. It sounded so simple when I was making the plan. At least you still have your job in case things go awry. Hehehehehe. Yeah, ported by Patnos D. Okay. Hahaha. Did I say something wrong? No, you were right. You said something I should have tonight about myself. What are you talking about? You know who owns the Evening Whispers? GRE Media, right? Yes. And they are also the biggest book publisher in the country. So, when an opportunity presented itself, I took it. What do you mean by opportunity? Well, I bumped into one of the big guys in the elevator. So, naturally, I pitched my book idea. Hmm. Hmm. Come on, don't look at me like that. Are you for real? Yeah, I know it was such a stupid thing to do. So, how did they react? Thankfully, he'd seen my short stories. So, he challenged me. If I can get a draft ready in a month, help pull some strings and get the fiction publishing division to sign me up for a publishing deal. That sounds great. What about your job at the Evening Whispers? Do you have time to do both? That's the hard part. I've been secretly working on the novel during office hours, and I'm falling behind on the newspaper's deadlines. If the chief finds out, she'll probably kick me out. Ouch. Well, at least you got some to finish the initial draft. Yeah, that was last week. Again, don't look at me like that. How far along are you? I assume the number of words you have written is not too far from zero. Hey, that's rude. I've written some stuff, you know. May I see it? Well, it was so bad. Well, after reading it, I decided to just delete everything immediately. So, zero. Yes. I'll need to finish it in at most 2 weeks. Then I'll use the extra week to polish and do some editing. Sounds like a plan. If you can pull it off. I know, you don't need to be so cynical about it. That's why I'm here today. I'm hoping to find some inspiration. I wrote some of my best short stories here, you know. Really? Glad this place could be of service. Oh, it looks like someone's coming. Oh, the succubus girl. Okay. Welcome. Hi there. Hello. Good evening. For here, miss? Yes, please. I think I'm not really sure what to order though. What do you recommend? Well, that depends highly on your on your mood. I'm just here to meet my boyfriend. Not planning to be awake all night. So definitely no coffee. How about something chocolatey? It's perfect for this weather. That's a good idea. Actually, thank you. You're welcome. Anything with chocolate in, please. Your free trial will start tomorrow. Thank you for subscribing to our Fiction Plan free trial. You will have active subscription to our fiction plan and will start receiving your daily short stories tomorrow. Hope you enjoy the contents we provide. Oh, no. Anything with chocolate. Huh? One cup of chocolatey goodness. Thank you. So warm. So you're waiting for your boyfriend? Yeah, yes, you should be here soon. Look at you now. You went from empty to 3 customers in one night. I thought this place would be more crowded, considering it's the only coffee shop that's still open after midnight around here. Because it's the only coffee shop that still opens past midnight, it's mostly empty. Now that you mention it, is it good for business having the coffee shop only open at night? Definitely not. Yep, what she said. Then why? I just love doing it. And there's always someone longing for a warm drink at this hour. That's fascinating. Pardon me for asking. How can you survive running the coffee shop like this? That's a secret. Akiyama here is never rich. That's the secret. Oh, really? She's exaggerating. Don't worry about it. Akiyama can manage. I'm sure this place isn't going bankrupt anytime soon. So you'll still have a weird, quiet place to meet up at night. That's good to hear. By the way, are you a regular here? I don't really have anywhere else to go. I'm a writer who works best at night in a coffee shop. Not so many options for that. No wonder. She's pretty good writer, you know. You can find some of her stories in the Evening Whispers. Shut up. Wow, that's really interesting. What kind of things do you cover? I cover the stories of people around town. For personal, interesting, weird stories. I also contribute to their short stories. I love their fiction. You wrote those stories? Thank you. I wrote most of them, but not all. That's so cool. Then, are you here to write a new piece? I should be. But I don't even know what to write about. Okay. Someone's here. Oh, okay. Welcome. Hi. Sorry to keep you waiting. It's okay. I had nice chat with the fine folks here. Hi there. Hello. Hi, would you like to order something? Surprise me. What kind of an order is that? Well, I don't really know what to order. Do you have any preferences, sir? Something bitter to keep me awake with milk and rosa latte art on the top. Oh! Wait. Cappuccino was it, if I'm correct? Coffee milk. Coffee milk. Oh my god, this game. game is so good. This is the fun part for me in playing this game. Okay. Ah, yeah, finish. Here's your order. Haha, is this what you call latte art? That's cute. Perfect. Anyway, I was distracted by some work plus there's the raid. It's okay, Baileys. I was having a nice chat with them. Oh yeah, I haven't properly introduced myself. I'm Baileys. Wait, what the hell? Okay. And then this guy here. Oh my, where are my manners? I haven't introduced myself either. My name is Lua. Lua. Wait. Baileys Octentobogos, freelance designer and #1 pumpkin spice fan. Okay. Birthday 2nd of October. Walter Ame et un. Okay. Choicy. Votre ame est on. Oh, what the hell? Okay. What the hell? Why can't I read Spanish? I think this is Spanish if I'm or Portuguese. Oh man. Votre ame est un passage choicy. Wait, if I'm correct, this means she's massaging. If I'm correct. I'm just guessing on the translation because I can understand some little bit of Portuguese, Spanish definitely I can understand it because my country was Spanish East Indies in the past, so we know that we know a lot of Spanish words but in different meanings on our meaning like that, but some of the things we still have common like in Mexico. Okay, my name is Lua. Hi, I'm Freya. Nice to meet you, both of you. I'm Akiyama. Hey, did you know that Freya here is a writer for the Evening Whispers? Oh, really? I've done some work for them a few times. Oh, what kind of work? I'm a freelance designer and illustrator. I've done some caricatures and infographics for the paper. I assume you were in contact with Steve? Yep, he's a nice guy to work with. Oh, really? No, he isn't. But I've dealt with worse clients. Way worse. Yeah, I'm glad he's in design and visuals department. I won't be able to stand working with him directly. Hahaha, come on. He's tough to deal with, but definitely not the worst. Oh, of course. No matter how deep you go, there's always another layer of hell. How do you usually deal with bad customers, Sim? The only bad customers this late at night are worst are lost drunks or criminals. That sounds really bad. Nah, they're easy to handle. That's because you're good with your fist. Not as good as your coffee making skill though. Thank you, I'll take that as a compliment. You're welcome. Anyway, I really need to start writing. But whatever is whatever it is that I'm going to write. So I'll leave you to in the hands of our friendly neighborhood barista. Where are you going to write? Oh, not far. Just over at the table in the corner next to the windows. That's my spot. Oh, okay, have fun. I'll try. Good luck. Thanks. Should we move to other seats too? Nah, here is good. Okay then. So, how was your day? It was fine. Work was nothing special. I finished my proposal early so I could get out of the office. Plus, my boss was in a really good mood all day. Though I thought your boss was always a happy-go-lucky person. Well, he is, but today he was happier than usual. I'm not sure what happened, but it was great seeing him smile so much. What about you? Any problems with your latest client? Yeah, this one's a pain in the ass. You know, those memes that depict terrible clients. She fits all the bills. I could go on forever complaining about her, but that won't help me a bit. That won't help me a bit. You should make a meme about her and lose my current project for a minute of laughter. That might be worth it. You should ask Akiyama here about how to deal with annoying clients. Oh yeah? How do you usually deal with annoying customers? The ones you don't need your fish to take care of. I do have my own methods. But it wouldn't be wise to talk about customers to other customers. Now, that's one good lesson to learn for the day. Your parents? Yes. So, you've talked to them? I did. It didn't end well? No. What did they say? A lot. Okay. Conflicting parents. Oh man. This is so common in mankind. They won't give us a chance at all. Oh man. Wait, I will intermission a little intervene. So this game, like, I won't say that they I want to say they the writers of this game really captures the problems and everything of mankind. Like, they only show it through fictional monsters like that, like this demon right here and this elf, handsome elf here. Like, oh man, this is so relatable. Like, oh, okay, there's some like that. A friend of mine have these issues too, the same, but I won't mention his name. I won't mention him or anything, his name and everything. Like, yeah, that's why zip my mouth and talk about something like, you know, what I understand in the game. Plus, this game right here, the whole game I'm talking about, I'm making a video right now is what should I say? motivates me to write more stories on Wattpad like that. So, but in my native language, so I know, but mostly my writings was sci-fi, action, with military elements like that, because that's what I know. Then right now I'm currently writing isekai story and isekai fantasy. So yeah, I'm going to finish it. Then Gaia, another one I'm writing that I can't write it right now because, but I shelved it a little, so I can brainstorm some new ideas like progressing the story, what what other organisms they will discover, research more on the science of it like that. Because Gaia is all about the, you know, the creation of life itself. Like two sisters was, time travels back to the time where Earth is still forming life itself a bit by bit on the ocean like that. That's what I'm currently writing. That's what I am writing. Then currently the isekai story was the priority right now, so I can get back and writing it. Then some of the, JoJo something JoJo clone story. It's embarrassing, but I like it. It's like my diary, so I will not, tell it all. But it's on my Wattpad page. But for some foreigners like my friends in Europe, Europe and United States cannot understand everything because I write it in my own in my native language, so with the sprinkles of Spanish, English, that like that, so I can, I can, comfortably writing it. And let's get back to the game. Sorry for intervening. I don't know what to say, but I am very shy when I'm talking about something like that. But mostly right now I am shaking my fingers when recording still, so I am sorry when there is some, stuttering on my mouth when speaking English. That it's embarrassing for me to speak like that. To speak and to commentate and everything like that. Sometimes I do no commentary because I am focused on the game, like my nostalgic arcades series. Mostly it's quiet, but at least I started, thinking, speaking more like that. But my shorts, I will create new short series and like that, so I can play more games that I played a lot, like the action games I played. At thinking of it, yeah. Then I will edit some of it. Right now I'm thinking editing of this video short like that. Yeah, that's what I'm doing, so I can, write some of it. I can upload some bits of it, little bits, so you can what was the word again? You can watch the full video when I posted the link on it. So that's all for now. Okay, let's get back to the game. Anyone but an elf. That's what they said. How about you? More or less the same. I got into fight with my old man. That's why I'm staying at Faron's place now. They kick you out. You don't have to do this, you know. They're your family. I can't stand even one more second being part of them, being a part of them. I might not have a stable income, but I can manage. But still, you don't know what they said about you last time. I'm sorry. What did they say about me? Or about my race, I assume. Forget it. I want to know. Just the same old shit. Mumbling about how elves are holy creatures. About our immortality. About how even if I outlive you. What? Nothing. About how if you outlive me, no other elves would want to be with an elf. That's already been tainted by a lonely succubus. Okay. That's exactly what they said. So this is it then. The end of our relationship. It doesn't have to be. You know, our families will never agree. We can just continue like this. What do you mean? They don't need to know what we're still. They they, they don't need to know that we're still dating. We can just continue the way we've always been without them knowing. And then what? Do you want to be hiding our relationship for the rest of eternity? We're not like humans, you know. We can just elope. Oh dear. You won't get permission because you're too old. Dua, I don't care about the permission. I'll be glad to sever my family ties if I have to. I can't let you do that. You'll lose your immortality. If I can spend my time with you, I don't mind. I don't mind a bit. You're making this hard for both of us. Do you feel happy when you're with me? Of course I do. Then you don't need any more reasons. You know we're perfect for each other. You don't even need to look deep down. Trust me, we can do this together. I can think about this clearly right now. We'll talk later. Dua, wait. I'm sorry you had to listen to our problems. That's alright. This coffee shop has seen all kinds of stories. I do hope yours will have a happy ending. I hope so too. Do you have any alcohol? Sadly, no. That's a bummer. Well, do you have anything that's warm and can calm me down? Do you like green tea lattes? Green tea lattes? I'll take one. Green tea lattes, please. No, nope. Green tea milk. Oh. That's vaguely a hand. Okay. Here's your green tea latte. This is good. Thank you for this. By the way, are you married? Me? No. Do you have someone you love? I love this coffee shop, but I'm sure that's not the answer you're looking for. Hey, I didn't really have any expectations. Man, out of all people in the whole world, why did I fall for her? You can choose who you fall in love with. You can if you try hard enough. At least that's what my old man said. He really is a pretentious elf. But I guess all of them are. Entitled, pretentious, immortal douchebags. At least you have an eternity to learn and change. Or an eternity to be an eternal asshole. Anyway, I need to go now. Probably drink myself under until the sun rises. There's still a while until sunrise. More time for me to drink then. See you around. See you around too, Miss Freya. Thank you. Do visit again. Oh, you are listening from the corner? Yes. Poor souls. I hope they find a way to be together. Me too. Anyway, I need to leave. I have to get up earlier than usual tomorrow. Okay. I think I'm going to close the shop. I'm going to close the shop up after this. That's pretty early. I know. After the rest of the deliveries come in tomorrow, I'll open as usual. Okay, you have a good night then. You too. Oh my god. Oh, graphics. Okay. Wednesday, September 23rd, 2020. Okay. This is the end of the first game, so first episode of this series, the visual novel. I hope I can find some more visual novels like this, or audio novels they call in Japan. So this game right here, I'm going to continue playing this tomorrow, so I can think something later. For now, I'm going to continue writing my manuscript. So have a good night, everybody, and goodbye.
Those heroes of antiquity ne'er saw a cannonball, or knew the force of powder to slay their foes withal. But our brave boys do know it, and banish all their fears.